It begins with reproductive physiology. Inside the mature female, during each menstrual cycle, the ovary releases one of the many thousands of egg cells stored there since infancy. After it bursts forth, whip-like extensions of the walls of these organs produce currents in the surrounding fluid, which move the egg mass toward the uterus by way of the fallopian tube. It is here that the egg, or ovum, becomes accessible to the male sperm and the meeting without which a new life cannot develop. While the ovum contains all the hereditary programming of the female individual, each sperm cell of her mate carries his characteristics. The sperm, produced in billions each month in the testicles, also have the factor that determines male or female offspring. They are given access to the ovum when the man and woman mate, and only one of the hundreds of millions of sperm present succeeds in penetrating the ovum. This results in a fertile zygote, its heredity sealed for a human lifetime. Soon the new life is evidenced by division of the cell into two in the manner of the most primitive life forms. Slowly propelled toward the uterus by contraction of the tube, the two cells further divide into four, and so on. Eventually, the development of the embryo will parallel all the stages of human evolution. As growth continues, it moves in a matter of several days through the fallopian tube into the uterus, where it becomes implanted in the folds. The embryo then develops through stages when it compares closely to fish, complete with gill clefts, reptile, bird, lower mammal, and finally attains human form. Its rapid growth is nourished by the mother's body, not directly, but by interchange of nutrients and wastes through the placenta.